My name is Brett Embler. I'm a Natural Resources and Parks Crew Supervisor, and I work with the Athletic Field Maintenance Unit here at Walnut Creek Athletic Complex. We have 3 full-time staff members that maintain the park on a daily basis. The first thing in the morning will begin by dragging the field. That's leveling or smoothing the playing surface. And then after, we'll come in with our string and we'll measure out the distance of the bases and mark the field based on the specifications for the game that night, whether it's adult softball, youth softball, or even baseball. Later in the afternoon, we'll come in and mow the outfield with our row mower. These specialized industry tools really allow us to provide a top-notch level of service to the youth and adult participants that come to the park. Every night, we know that there's kids that may be coming to the park for the first time, and to be able to enjoy the facility that we've worked on all day, all week, all season to prepare for them really is a very rewarding experience.